Hi guys, so I've just finished talking at the Excel in London about property investing and why now is the best time to start and scale a property investing business. Now I've been talking on behalf of Progressive Property, so I'm at their stand, Progressive stand here at the Excel, and one of the things that I'm talking about is why there's no such thing as job security, why there's no such thing as pension security. I know it's a little bit controversial, but whilst at the same time, I don't believe there is any such thing as job security, pension security, but there's always going to be a demand for property. And the thing is, just the rise of AI is going to be taking jobs away. And so people feel secure in their job security right now, but you know, AI and robots, it's going to be taking an awful lot of jobs away. But there's always going to be a demand for property, right? So they're not building enough property to meet current demand, and therefore when there's more demand for something, what happens to the price of that thing? As we all know, it goes up. So actual security, financial security, let's face it, is building a property portfolio. Now, one of the things that I was actually offering at the Excel for people that have travelled to London to come and see me speak was 2 tickets to attend a multiple streams of property income event. So the point is that there's multiple ways to invest in property. So I was literally, let me spin this camera around, I was literally selling tickets to attend the multiple streams of property income event. Now then, what I'm going to do, so therefore, obviously you maybe missed my talk in London, where were you? What I'm going to do is give you the opportunity to actually attend the multiple streams of property income event, and I'm going to offer you 2 free tickets to attend. But what you need to do is click on the link, so there'll be a link, I'll put a link in the comments, and my social media team will post this video on multiple different platforms, so the link might be in my bio, or the link might be attached to the post or something like that. Click on the link and you will get 2 tickets to attend 3 days worth of property investment training absolutely free. So write in the comments free tickets, then click on the link, and the team will then be in touch in order to book you on. We got a couple of dates coming up in the future, and so you'll be able to, when the team get in touch with you, you'll be able to attend at a date that works for you. So 100% free tickets by clicking on the link. Okay, so different stuff we're covering at the event. We're going to be talking about Kevin McDonald is going to be talking about rent to rent, and we're going to be talking about, so Anne Holton or Tony Gargan is going to be talking about buy, refurbish, rent, refinance, buy to let investing. We're going to be talking about deal packaging. I'm going to be talking about serviced accommodation. We're going to talk about all the no money down strategies, lease options, vendor finance, exchange delay completion, tenant buyers, all of that stuff. And we're all going to be talking about commercial conversions, and last but not least, how to raise joint venture finance. So like I say, if you want your 2 tickets to attend that 3-day training, we're doing them in London and we're doing them in Peterborough, then write 3 tickets in the comments, click on the link, and the team will be in touch to book you on to the date that works for you. So here's to your success in property investing, and remember guys, your future needs you. Take care.